Hello, NeXT community. I wanted to show you a customer Steve's Turbo Cube with Dimension, and I'm about to go through and clean out all the 30 years of dust. So you can see it's really dusty inside there. We've recapped his Dimension board as well as his Turbo Cube board, and I may wind up putting a new old stock floppy in for him. Because everything looks really dusty. I'm hoping we can still fire up that hard drive, but it is looking uber dusty. So, my work's cut out for me today. And Steve, hoping I can get this out to you. We're going to put a new SD card with a bunch of apps. And I'll try and copy all your applications off this one as well. Really appreciate your business and patience. It may actually take me more than today to get this done the right way, but I thought I'd go ahead and take on this project. I'm trying to catch up on a bunch of different stuff and sending out a computer a day here this week. So appreciate your business patience. Have a great day. And I'll do a follow-up to this video.